Hi everyone, welcome back to Pastel Peony channel. After you have watched a quick vlog on the outlet, now you see a total of 3 big bags in front of you here. This is what I bought from the outlet. Now let's get started. Maybe we could start with the Michael Kors. So I went in the Michael Kors boutique, and then they have quite a lot of stuff actually, and also in a very good promotion. So that's a 50% off plus 10% because it's a weekend. So if you go on weekdays, they don't have an extra 10%. So on the tag, 50% and another 10%. And this is what I've got. Is the bag from Michael Kors. This is in a very pastel green. Now let's unpack this together. So it is a very pretty pastel light green shade. Just now I just realized that I adjusted the lighting too bright, so now you can see the actual color. I think is matched in the camera. That this is the light green bucket bag. In the camera it's a little bit whitish, but in the reality it's a little bit yellowish green. As you can see from the tag, if you can able to capture, this is Michael Kors in ID, and the color of this bag is atom green. It also comes with the long strap too, but I think the buckle, this short handle here is quite cute. I'm gonna remove all the inside so that you can see the space clearer. So it comes with a long strap like this, and then the inside look like this. Is the empty. There's no compartment. There's only one compartment, and then a total of 1 or 2 card slot, if I can see. Okay, there's only one small pocket in front over here that I'm not sure that I'm gonna use this session, but it seems like you can put cards, and it comes with the care cards from Michael Kors here. I also have something else in Michael Kors bag too, which is not relevant at all. This is Bath and Body Works. It's also in a great deal that you buy 2 you get 1 free. So it's a good deal for Bath and Body Works because they don't have the paper bag, so I put it in the Michael Kors bag. So I have the body scrub from Bath and Body Works. This is You Are the One, and it's the sparkling body scrub. And I also buy these bubble bath for bath bomb. So this is Into the Night bubble bath. And I have one more of the body scrub. This is also a glow body scrub. This is In the Stars. Now I'm gonna move on to the Body Shop bag. I have 2 things here. So one is the Body Shop, and another one is the Chanel. So this is a mini bag that is hidden inside. So let's start with the Body Shop first. I have this again, bubble bath. This is bath blend in the flavor of the berry, and this on the right hand side is a mango. And then we have this little cute bag from Chanel. So now let's see what I bought. I haven't unpacked anything yet, so I'm a bit surprised that they also give me this tester. I think this is the skincare, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a skincare is serum from Chanel. I don't have, and I never used skincare from Chanel before. It seems quite interesting to have this lipstick. So this is Kush Coco Warm. I don't know how to read, but this is like a lip balm that they advertise, and it's so attracts to me. This is in natural charm shade, so it's kind of the shade that can wear for everyday use. Let's see the packaging inside. This is how the packaging inside looks like. So it's kind of a little bit of lip balm, but when you apply twice or apply 3 times, then it become more intense. So you can use as a lipstick too, because the shade is more intense after you apply it on a few times. So I'm gonna do some quick swatch for you. So apply one time a bit like that, so it's quite like more natural, neutral, very subtle. Add on a bit stronger, so the shade become more intense. Orange nude shade, which is very neutral and it's like easy to wear in everyday use. They have quite a few shades available, but my favorite would be this one. Now let's move on to our very last bag from Gucci. From my experience, I walked in Gucci and then I feel that they have quite a bit of items, and there's a lot of Gucci Maman collection in like the shade that is already, you know, like off the season, but it's so pretty. The shade of the pink Maman or even the yellow is such a great colors for summer, and they still have it at the outlet, but I don't think I see it in the online website or Gucci website. So here is the box that I try on the Gucci shoes. I tried on a few and I decided on these pretty cute shoes. Here you go, an espadrille from Gucci. This is a Gucci Maman espadrille in pink. The hardware is in silver, which is also similar to the bag that I have. This is a Gucci Maman Super Mini that I mentioned earlier that is a good match with these shoes. So as you can see, they are quite a good match together. I think the shoe is more pink than the bag, and the texture of the leather also a bit different. So this one is not that soft, but rather a smooth leather. Yeah, this one is more like a smooth leather, but for the espadrille, it's a super soft leather. And this is all about the quick unboxing of what I bought from Johor Bahru outlet and maybe Chanel from South Key Mall. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And see you again in the next video. Bye.